Hey, what's up Bitcoin holder? This was a free signal and good news for all Bitcoin holder, my brother. Kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type informative and urgent update videos. Bitcoin price, you can see here 1.48% increase now, and the reason which I found, my friend, to the price is increase definitely, my friend, is that to holders starting investing more and more. So therefore you can see the market cap is also good now, fully diluted market, but the volume is decreasing because, from brother, especially remember to in those days all crypto market is goes down. What's the reason? Because my other holders starting selling, but in this time, yeah, I'm sure my friend, the volume in the upcoming 24 hours are also going positive now. You know why? Because holders starting investing. So therefore this is a good time to invest and buy more and more. I am sure, my friends, to BTC price will pumps up, my friends, to 50,000 USD dollar. So definitely if they will hit this huge target, my friends, they will make you millionaire. So why you will miss this opportunity? Why you will miss this chance? Don't miss and take a risk, get a good profit now. If you check out, my friends, suddenly they will starting pumping up from last 24 hours. This was temporary, ignore this, absolutely they will again pumps up. So therefore this time also is a big opportunity, my friends, to get a very huge profit. Buy it, I'm sure, my friend, they will again suddenly starting moving upward and gives you a huge profit now. So therefore my advice, my opinion is for everyone to kindly invest now. I hope they will give you a profit. If we check out, my friends, how do you feel about Bitcoin today? So I feel very good now. Today result of Bitcoin is very good now. You can see your 80% of people are feeling good now. So therefore you can see they are voted now, and 20% feeling bad, but it's not bad. Absolutely they are very they are, I don't think about that. So my friends, you can see here, if we check out more information about that, so the volume, price change occurring last 24 hours, all details, my friends, we will check it now. So therefore my advice for everyone to kindly hold down and don't starting selling. I'm sure to in upcoming times they will make you millionaire if you invest now. So thanks for watching. Kindly like video and subscribe channel.